Each partner takes on clearly defined roles. Both individuals dig and defend their own portion of the shared territory. Their habitat consists of short grass savannas with sparse vegetation, ideal for spotting termites and allowing efficient heat regulation. A 2024 study also reported that they can occupy territories ranging from 0.3 to 3.5 square kilometers. When termites are scarce, these foxes adapt by eating beetles, larvae, grasshoppers, and even seasonal fruits and berries. Bat-eared foxes have a unique dental structure, with more teeth than most other mammals, specially designed to grind hard-shelled insects efficiently. This adaptation suits their insect-heavy diet perfectly. They also have distinctive communication methods. Pairs use their tails and ears to express emotions and emit soft whimpers to maintain social bonding. These interactions help reinforce mutual respect and support the defense of their shared home range. Though not as nimble or swift as some of the smaller creatures in the region, the stronghold of the black rhinoceros remains resilient and continues to thrive in this harsh environment. As one of the big five species, the black rhinoceros is well adapted to semi-arid habitats, feeding primarily on shrubs rather than grass. Despite its poor eyesight, the rhino has an exceptional sense of smell, making it highly alert and difficult to approach. By the end of 2023, the population of black rhinos in South Africa stood at approximately 2,065 individuals, accounting for nearly 1/3 of the species' total population across Africa. Though large and robust in appearance, the black rhino is surprisingly sensitive and easily unsettled by sudden climate changes or close human presence. They often react defensively, even when a threat is not immediately obvious. Each individual maintains its own territory and lives mostly in solitude, interacting with others only during mating seasons. Interestingly, rather than relying on their own kind, black rhinos share a symbiotic relationship with the red-billed oxpecker. These birds perch on the rhino's back or neck, picking off ticks and skin parasites. More importantly, oxpeckers act as living alarm systems. When they detect unusual movement, they emit loud warning calls, helping rhinos stay alert despite their poor vision. Research published in Current Biology indicates that oxpeckers help rhinos detect threats from more than twice the distance they could on their own. Though the birds may sometimes peck at wounds to drink blood, the overall benefits of early warnings and skin cleaning far outweigh this behavior in the wild. Black rhinos are browsers, feeding on leaves, twigs, and shoots from various shrubs. A 2024 study at Velgevonden Nature Reserve found that their diet includes over 80 plant species, from the Euphorbiaceae family to Acacia species. When food is scarce, they can digest plants with mild toxins thanks to specialized gut microbes. Notably, they can go over 5 days without drinking water, drawing moisture from the vegetation they consume, a vital adaptation in semi-desert climates. Their body is built for solitary living. A short, strong neck helps them pull down branches close to the ground. Their hook-shaped upper lip allows them to select tender shoots among dense bushes. To conserve energy, they move slowly and tend to be active at dawn and dusk when temperatures are cooler. Their hearing is also highly developed, enabling them to detect distant sounds and determine direction. However, due to their heightened alertness, approaching them in the wild is usually limited to distant observation. They react strongly to unfamiliar noises and often turn away or dash off to avoid close encounters. Black rhinos reproduce slowly, with a gestation period lasting up to 15 months and typically producing only one calf at a time. The young stay close to their mother for 2 to 3 years. This long reproductive cycle, combined with their solitary nature, means that even under ideal conditions, the population recovers only gradually. A 2025 study from the Zululand Wildlife Corridor highlighted that without genetic support from other populations, their annual growth rate averages just 4.2%. This species has endured a turbulent survival history. From over 70,000 individuals in the late 1960s, their population dropped to around 2,410 by 2004 across Africa, a dramatic 90% decline over 3 generations. Their slow recovery has been the result of rigorous conservation efforts, including anti-poaching measures and habitat protection. Despite these efforts, the black rhinoceros remains listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to the steep population decline in the last century. In South Africa, reserves like Kruger, Hluvuwe-Imfolozi, and privately managed lands are enforcing strict protection strategies. These include round-the-clock armed patrols, individual GPS monitoring, and controlled dehorning to reduce the species' commercial value to poachers. Thanks to these efforts, poaching rates in key areas have seen a notable decline from 2022 to 2024. If the black rhino represents quiet resilience in a harsh land, then the ostrich is its striking contrast. Bold and built for speed, like a long-distance runner always ready to dash. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Though flightless, it is incredibly fast on foot, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour when escaping threats. An ostrich can stand up to 2.5 meters tall and weigh around 100 kilograms. Its long legs and powerful thighs enable strides of up to 5 meters per step. They can run at a steady pace of around 60 kilometers per hour and maintain that speed for 30 to 40 minutes straight. Ostriches live in small flocks of 5 to 50 individuals, especially during breeding season or when food is scarce. This group behavior helps enhance visibility and vigilance against predators. When sensing danger, they may drop low with their heads to the ground to blend into the wild landscape. Their diet consists mainly of plant matter, leaves, grasses, herbs, and occasionally fruits and small insects. Thanks to a 2-chambered stomach and the aid of grit and stones in their digestive tract, they can break down tough fibers efficiently, a valuable trait in dry environments. Their body temperature is regulated through special mechanisms. During extreme heat, they fluff their feathers to release heat and cool down through the bare skin on their neck and wings. Their broad chest and long neck also help conserve energy and support circulation. A 2024 study published in Bird Conservation Review estimated ostrich density in the region at about 2 to 4 individuals per square kilometer. This reflects a stable population even as habitats shift. Long-term observations also show that flocks move together to optimize food access and avoid predatory threats. During breeding season, males may lead a harem of 2 to 7 females and actively defend the nesting territory. Mated pairs share incubation duties in a communal nest to maximize the survival chances of their chicks. From the semi-arid regions of the west, the landscape of South Africa gradually transforms into a contrasting world in the east, where lush green savannas stretch wide and vibrant rivers flow with life. This area includes the Kruger grasslands, scattered woodlands, and the Limpopo Olifants river system, forming one of the country's most complex and dynamic ecological zones. The terrain here is mostly flat, dotted with gentle hills and a mix of tall grasses and shrub vegetation. A well-defined rainy season, combined with consistently high temperatures, helps replenish surface water and sustain the entire food chain. This is the ecological heartbeat of South Africa's wild nature, a place where life pulses with unmistakable energy. The Kruger grasslands form a core part of the eastern savanna, distinguished by tall grasses, scattered shrubs, and its signature reddish soil. This vast ecological region lies within Kruger National Park, the largest national park in South Africa, covering more than 19,000 square kilometers. The blend of flat terrain, underground water sources, and a pronounced rainy season has made this area an ideal habitat for numerous links in the natural food chain. Amid the vast grasslands of Kruger, where the Olifants River winds through tall grasses and scattered shrubs, Nyala emerge like quiet shadows, graceful and watchful. They don't mingle with the boisterous bustle of savanna life, but choose the edges, where riverside thickets offer just enough cover to stay hidden and just enough openness to observe from afar. The male Nyala is unmistakable. Its bluish-gray coat is etched with fine white stripes down the flanks, like hand-carved patterns. Atop its head, spiral horns twist tightly in elegant loops, catching early sunlight with a soft golden sheen. In contrast, the female wears a gentler reddish-brown tone with fewer markings, perfect for blending into tall grass when retreat is needed. Nyalas live in small groups, sometimes just a few individuals. They move quietly, often choosing the margins of thickets near water, areas with enough vegetation for feeding and enough open ground for a quick escape. Unlike many other antelope species, they do not graze on grass. Their diet includes leaves, fallen fruit, tender branches, and occasionally bark. This selective feeding plays a special role in managing low-level vegetation, especially during the dry season when other herbivores are limited by dwindling grass supplies. Though slender in build, Nyalas are exceptionally alert. A slight movement in the distance can bring the whole group to a standstill. If they sense a threat, they produce a sharp, dog-like bark. Some scatter, while others remain. This unpredictable dispersal pattern makes it harder for large predators to close in. At Kruger National Park, the Nyala population remains steady. A study published in Landscape Ecology in 2025 by the University of Pretoria and South African National Parks documented nearly 1,200 sightings through camera traps over 12 months.